Here we go, number one. It's not very big, but it's alright. There's Roger. Already had two. Already had two. If he went home now, he's had a good day. The dog biscuits will stay on longer though, Rog.
Yeah.
There we go. Swimming away. Go on then, swim away, you bastard. Come back into my net, you plank. I usually do action shots as well, because this is like a small camera, Rog. I usually hold it while I'm thinking. See, did you miss that one at all? Oh dear, more bait. But it's a cracking day. We're going to have a nice day.
Had a nice day already.
That's it. Not. Yeah, it's just how it is, Rog. But keep them there. Keep the odd little. Another one back in. The biggest of the day. Oh, I don't know, fucking still early. I don't even look at the time, Rog, when I'm here. Why bother? There it goes. Swims away. I bet it's not even 9:30, is it? Here's Roger catching a fish. It's got a bit of a rod bend. You foul hooked it, Roger, or was it not? And there you got it. Well, he's struggling, but he's got it. Here it is. It's about number 15 or 14, I think something like that. I think it's 15. Here's Roger. Had a bit of a wangle. We caught double figures, didn't you, Rog?
Yeah, double figures.
Oh, look at the scales all the way down that one.
Yeah.
All the way down the line.
No, I think.
There's a few more people here now. Some over there. Some over there. He's just caught one down there, and his missus. Probably teaching her how to fish, Rog. First time she's come. I've never caught a fish before. Oh, Roger's in. Roger's got a rod bend. I'll get behind. Look at his smiley face. Look at his smiley face as he reels in the massive whopper. I might as well land it with my landing net while I'm here. Bit of a rod bend. He had a break for about 10 minutes while he got out of a wangle. It's only a smallish one, Rog. We're not getting the record books out for this one. There he is, in the net. Roger, back in the zone again.
Yeah. Thank you.
Cover him up. I always cover him up like that.